So guys, when Hitler, he was a mere soldier and he fought on behalf of Germany in the First World War. He had the intention that to take revenge of the disgrace or humiliation of Treaty of Versailles in 1918 by the Allied group, England, France and Russia, and it is quite visible now that gradually he is going towards the goal. He is getting power because Hitler, he was very strong, he was very intelligent and passionate man. On 30th January, note down the date, 30th January 1933, President Hindenburg spelling Hindenburg, President Hindenburg offered Hitler the post of Chancellor of Germany. Hitler accepted it and he became the Chancellor of Germany and he became more powerful. Hitler became more powerful. Then after that, one more significant incident in his life. On 3rd March, write down the date, 3rd March in the same year 1933, Enabling Act, note down within inverted comma, ENA, capital E, NABLING, Enabling Act, A capital, within inverted comma, Enabling Act was passed, and this act made Hitler more powerful and strong. And after this act, Hitler had full control over Germany. He became the leader of Germany. This act made Hitler the most powerful leader of Germany. So guys, this much, that means the teaching for the day. On the basis of my lecture, on the basis of my teaching, you have noted down the significant dates and years, because without date, without year, history has no value. Just now I told you. So you will memorize all the dates, the year. This is totally modern history, modern European history. So on the basis of today's lecture, note down 5 questions. Question number 1. What were the names of Hitler's first and second group? What were the names of Hitler's first and second group? Question 2. In which year Nazi emerged as the most powerful group in Germany? In which year Nazi, capital N-A-Z-I, emerged as the most powerful group in Germany? Question 3. What were the objectives of Hitler? I repeat, what were the objectives of Hitler for which he became so popular leader of Germany? What were the objectives of Hitler for which he became so popular leader of Germany? You have to write down the objectives, the 7 points. Okay, first you memorize. Don't look at the answer. Close that copy or turn that page. Don't look at those points. Without seeing that point, memorize it first and you write down. Question 4. In which year Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany? And the last question of the day. on the basis of which act, capital A, on the basis of which act Hitler had full control over Germany. On the basis of which act Hitler had full control over Germany. So guys, this much for the day, and the continuation, the remaining part, once again in my next lecture. Till then, answer these questions, memorize my teaching, the chapter up to here. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.